Now students, we will see chapter 21, women in India. Okay, so we have been given all first women. Okay, we know who were the first women. So first question, these are all factual question. Okay, so there is not much concept here, all fact. You have to remember that first woman to hold a union cabinet. Okay, means she worked with central government was Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Okay, first woman central minister. Who was that? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. Okay, there is no photo here. Search in Google. Then first woman government of independent India. That was Sarojini Naidu. Okay. Then first woman prime minister of India. She was Indira Gandhi. Okay. First woman president of India, Pratibha Patil. Here she is Pratibha Patil. Then first woman speaker of Lok Sabha. This was Meera Kumar. Okay, she was she was daughter of Jagjeevan Ram. Jagjeevan Ram was first labor minister. He worked with Pandit Nehru and a freedom fighter, and his daughter was Meera Kumar. Then first woman IPS officer Kiran Bedi. You must be knowing about Kiran Bedi. She fought election from Delhi, but she lost. But she was first woman IPS in India. Then first woman judge of Supreme Court. Okay, so Meera Sahib Fatima Bibi. Here you can see Meera Sahib was first Supreme Court judge. Okay, for then you have first woman railway driver. That was Surekha Shankar Yadav. First woman to get into space was Kalpana Chawla. You must be knowing. Okay, so first woman IS officer was Anna George. Okay, students. So that was all. Pride, proud to be an Indian. Okay, so let's see that India is the largest producer of mangoes of the world. Yes, largest producer of mango in the world is India. India is the largest producer of movies in the world. Yes, student, because India lots of languages are there like Odisha, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati, Chhattisgarhi. So in all that language, different movies are made. You know that there are lots of famous Chhattisgarhi movies. Okay, I will not say you name, but there are lots of Chhattisgarhi famous movies like there Telugu, Tamil, Kannada movies are there. So yes, in average, India total 20,000 movies are made in 1 year. Okay, 1 year there 20,000 movies are made. Then Chel in Himachal Pradesh is the highest cricket pitch of the world. Yes, it is located in highest. Okay, highest. Okay, then kites were invented by India. No, it is wrong. The national anthem Jana Gana Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, yes, student, it is correct. Jana Gana Man was written by Rabindranath Tagore, or Vande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Then India is the only source of diamond in the world. It is wrong. Diamonds are found in lots of countries. The highest point in India is Mount Kanchenjunga. Yes, it is true. It is in Sikkim. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you, students. Where is it? Maps. Okay, so here you can see that India. Then you have here maybe here Sikkim, and it is in Sikkim. You can see Kanchenjunga must be here somewhere. Okay, what is it? Hmm. I'm not able to find now, but it is here in Sikkim. Okay, Kanchenjunga. So here, students, you have Sikkim, and then you have here is your Kanchenjunga. Okay, Kanchenjunga. You can see that here it is located. Then uh, buttons were invented in India. Yes, it is also true. Hindi is the national language of India. No, India does not have any national language. Okay, India has 22 official language, but not any language. Okay, there is no national language of India, only official language, and they are not in India. Okay, and they are not Hindi. They are 22. So India is the first country to enter the orbit of Mars. Yes, it is true. You must have heard about Mission Mangalyaan. Okay, so India is the first country to enter the orbit of Mars. Okay, so next, lesson 23, India facts. There is no question to solve here, you just have to learn these facts. Okay, there are total 10 facts, like India got independence from this. Okay, on this day, then India is the world's largest democracy. Democracy means where people elect their leaders. Okay, then India invented the number system. Yes, Aryabhatta. Ayurveda. Okay, here in India Ayurveda developed. Varanasi is the ancient city. Okay, it is very old city. One of the largest employer in the world is Indian Railway. Yes, yoga has its origin in India and has existed for over 5,000 years. Okay, yoga is there in for 5,000 years. The world's first university was Taxila. Okay, yes, student, it is also true. Taxila was located somewhere here. Okay, uh, here. Let me. So, students, Taxila was located here in ancient times, lots of year ago. It was a, it was a root zone. Okay, here it was a passing zone for many countries, like from China, people went there like that. From Afghanistan, Uzbekistan, people came to India like that. It was travel zone. Okay, so it was first university, and here then you have India has the largest postal network in the world. Yes, postal still exists in India. I don't know why postal exists in India, because there's mobile phone, internet, email, but still postal exists in India, and it is the world's largest postal network. Okay, at the interval of every 12 years, Kumbh Mela occurs in India. Okay, so Kumbh Mela occurs in India after every 12 years. It is the world's largest gathering of people. Okay, lots of people go to Kumbh Mela to take bath. So that's all.